another episode of Thought Behind the Shot. मेरा नाम है मोहित आहूजा and I'm your friend, a fellow photographer and a teacher at No Disability. इस सीरीज के हम इतने सारे एपिसोड्स कर चुके हैं. We've shared so many brilliant photographs, the stories behind them, the thought behind them, about the colors, about the technique. क्या settings थी, क्यों खींचा गया वो shot. Today, I want to share some shots with you that were taken not by me, but by my students. These are shots that have made it to exhibitions. ये shots special क्यों हैं? ये बताना चाहता हूँ मैं पहले आपको, and then I'll take you to the shots. I have always been very fascinated with the sadhus, the saints of India. अलग अलग sadhus हैं, अलग एक aura होता है उनका. When you go to one of the religious places, there's always an aura around them. There's a slight mysticism. एक सस्पेंस सा बना रहता है कि ये लोग कैसे जीते होंगे. What do they do? How do they celebrate when they are happy? How do they show when they are angry? What all do they go through? Monks, sadhus, they have always fascinated me so much. Today, we are going to share some shots of a sadhu. Here's a little teaser of the shots we are going to share. This is just one shot I want to show you. Just have a look at it. अब मैं आपको एक सीक्रेट बताऊं. ये असल में एक साधु नहीं है. इनफैक्ट ये जो लग रहा है कि ये कुंभ के मेले में लिया गया शॉट है, that is also not the truth. Long back, a senior had told me in the advertising industry that भगवान के बाद ना फोटोग्राफर्स, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर्स, फिल्म मेकर्स ही आते हैं, क्योंकि हम लोग दिन को रात कर सकते हैं, हम चीज़ें जैसी चाहे वैसी दिखा सकते हैं. And that is the truth. A lot of my students have experienced it, and now they also believe when I say it that भगवान के बाद हम photographers, filmmakers आते हैं, because we can make anything appear in a frame, in a way that we like. ये shot मेरे दिल्ली के स्टूडियो में किया गया था. I'm smiling right now because I still remember the day we did the shoot. All the dust, जो विभूति बोलते हैं जिसको हम लोग, which is used in pujas, all the dust that you see flying in these shots is actually just talcum powder. I know I'm breaking a lot of myths here. I'm telling you the reality that goes behind photography and what all can be shown, but this is the whole beauty of this art. मैं अपने स्टूडेंट्स को कुंभ तो नहीं ले जा सकता था, लेकिन मैं उनके लिए कुंभ के एक्सपीरियंस को अपने स्टूडियो में लेकर के आया. We had this friend who is actually a Sikh, he's a Sardar. And he was very glad to volunteer to model for us. He opened his hair and let loose. हमने उसके साथ तरह तरह के shots करे, and we told him to just have fun, to behave like a sadhu, and he took the role of a sadhu like a pro. Just look at these images. We played around with the lights, we had him dance, we played music, he was performing, feeling like a complete rock star. And then when we saw that he was enjoying, when he was dancing in front of those lights, when he was truly in his element, that is when we introduced the talcum powder. We asked him to show his aggression, to be angry. We asked him to just surrender. We asked him to close his eyes as if in meditation. All the talcum powder went into his hair, on his face. We also applied a tilak. And lo and behold, all of these images came up. Just look at these images. इनमें से कोई भी एक इमेज मेरी फेवरेट नहीं है, सबकी सब मेरी फेवरेट है. Because of the aura that is there in these images. These images have made it to exhibitions. They have also been on the cover and inside the calendar of the No Disability calendar. कहीं पर पढ़ा था मैंने in a book on Shiva where it read that the meaning of the slogan Har Har Mahadev is that all of us are Mahadevs, all of us are gods. The biggest temple, the most beautiful masjid, the most magnificent gurdwara, all of them reside in our own hearts. And when this shoot was happening in front of me, when my students were taking picture after picture, I could see that aura, I could see that Mahadev coming out in my friend who was very happily modeling for us. He was enjoying it, and I think there was a meditative feeling in him when we were playing that music, and he was just dancing around using the talcum powder like real vibhuti. These are all the shots. The best ones actually, and some that I really like and I really wanted to share with you. I hope you liked all these shots. I hope you liked the idea of using props in a creative manner and creating drama around images. The way we can tell stories with photography. Isn't it amazing? This was another episode of Thought Behind the Shot. I hope you liked it. पसंद आया हो, समझ आया हो तो प्लीज़ अपने दोस्तों के साथ, रिश्तेदारों के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, फैमिली के साथ शेयर कीजिए. Let them all experience this beautiful art of photography now that it has become so accessible with all these mobile phones and easy to use cameras. It's a beautiful medium. Do share this video with everyone who might need it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and tell me what you think about the videos we are putting up. My name is Mohit Ahuja and I will see you very soon in the next episode. Till then, keep clicking. God bless you.